This is Ordino's main square, where the Ronda del Cims starts. The Ronda is not only a mountain race, it's also an opportunity to live personal adventure. The Ronda is not just a race going all around the country, Andorra. It's a chance to be by yourself, overcome your limitations, and experience sensations that everyday life doesn't allow. The Ronda is an incredible journey shared with 2,400 fellow runners, 400 volunteers, 30 health professionals, and all the administrative staff. This is 3,000 mountain lovers. This video has been shot in late May 2015, so some paths were still covered with snow. During the race, it may also be present, but just the right amount to freshen up. Hi everyone, we are now at Aren's Pass. We have done 16 kilometers from the start of Ordino. Today they are coming with us Raul and Danny, huge sportives and men of mountain. We have in front of us North Casamania. We have come all the way from Ensegur and Ordino. We are going now to the crest of Estaño and then to the Ferrerols Pass. But we have 155 kilometers more or less to do. And I think we need to do it seriously. Come on. Ciao. Well, we are now at Ferrerols Pass, kilometer number 18. We can see from here Estaños Lake, and we are going towards Sorteñ and Rialp. I forgot to introduce two other friends, Cora and Flash, that are following us during this travel. So let's continue this adventure. Go! Hi, we are here again, the same people too. We have arrived at Sorteñ, kilometer number 21. We have come from Ferreroles, When you will come, the snow will be gone. Here we have a big refreshment point. We will go now straight to Val de Rialp. Now we need to take things with calm, be hydrated and eat properly. Our volunteers are amazing and you can have family and friends coming here. Everything to have energy for 150 kilometers we are going to do. Just 150 kilometers, Raoul. Let's go! Andres, Mark, how are you? Very good. We are a bit tired. Here we are now at Portella de Rialp, at the 27th kilometer. We have left behind Refugi de Rialp and Sorteny, and we are going to Val Coma d'Arcalis. We are tired, but we will recover it at the descent. So, what we do? Do we go together? Okay? Come on, let's go. Hello, we are now at Coma d'Arcalis, kilometer number 32, another refreshment point. We have come from Portella de Rialp and we are going to Breccia d'Arcalis before arriving to Langonella Cirque. But before leaving, we are going to say goodbye to Marc Vila and Andres Herrera. Both are in charge of a part of the race. Now Raoul and I are going to continue our adventure. Come on, Raoul, let's go. Ciao.